welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Deja Lee or Deja Lee. Let's get into this video because I'm about to put y'all on. I'm about to give y'all some tea. I know we're in a pandemic and all that, but there's no reason why it's 2021 and you should not be making money. You hear me? Making money. Get into the bag. Stacking your coins, okay? So we're gonna talk about how to make money. So first things first, this is like the best time to start a business because first of all, a lot of people is getting unemployment right now, and some of y'all don't have no responsibilities, and that's just extra money in your pockets, right? So take that money, start a business. It's that simple. For my ladies, you can start a lash business. For guys too, you can start a lash business. Like, I know a guy that has a whole lash business. Like, so this is like not specific towards women or men. So if I keep looking down, it's because I wrote some notes so I can remember to include everything that I want to include in this video. First things first, you can sell lashes if you're into that. If you're into skincare, you can sell skincare. You can make products and sell your skincare. But you gotta be careful with that because people can have skin reactions and stuff. So you gotta really know what you're doing to start selling skincare. You can sell clothes. There is so many vendors out here. Like, so many vendors out here. Yeah, you can go buy you a couple outfits, resell them. You can buy a couple sweatsuits, make a logo, stamp your logo on the sweatsuits, sell them. Somebody's gonna like it. It don't matter if it's just your family, your friends, somebody's gonna like it. The word will get out if you put in the work to promote yourself. If you're into hair, you can do hair. A lot of people like to have their nail techs and have their hairstylists come to them. Be a traveling hairstylist. Be a traveling nail tech. Learn how to do nails. Sell press-ons. Say, go on, find a website that sells wholesale press-ons. Buy them. Boom. Y'all know in New York, like, I don't know about other states, I lived in New York all my life, but in New York when it snows, nobody wants to shovel their cars out by themselves. So buy you a shovel, dig them cars out the snow. And these days where everybody is getting money, everybody's too good to shovel some cars, you better get you a shovel and make some money. If you like to clean, some people literally love cleaning. Like, it's relaxing to them. Who knows? Start a cleaning business. That you do also have to be careful with though, because we are in a pandemic, like I said. So pretty much whatever you're good at, if you're good at something, don't do it for free. Turn it into a business. For my black beautiful kings and queens, listen, we already have stigmas and all these things against us. Oh, black owned businesses don't know how to treat their customers. Black owned businesses this, black owned businesses that. First of all, I'm not saying let anybody walk all over you, and suck up to anybody, none of that. But please, 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 I cannot stress this enough. Please learn how to deal with people. Learn how to deal with customers. Learn how to be professional. Okay, that is the most important thing about having a business. Be professional and just make sure you have good customer service skills. The thing is, don't do it just for the money. You may see on social media that like people make entrepreneurship seem like it's all glitz and glam. No. You will have your slow days, you will have your slow weeks, you will have your slow months. You gotta push through that and keep going. You cannot give up. This is not just going all the way up from the bottom. Like, this is a roller coaster. Like, it's up and down. We got hills we gotta get over, alright? Like I said, don't just do it for the money, because if you're doing it just for the money, you're gonna give up as soon as you reach your first obstacle. You're gonna give up if you're just doing it for the money. So basically, find your why. Me personally, I have a daughter. She is my why. Like, I want to create generational wealth for my child, for when she grows up and has her own family. I want everybody that stems from me to be set. I want my family, my mother, my father, my sister, my brother. I want to be able to take care of everybody. Like, they are all my why. They are why I do it, and they are why I keep going. Especially my daughter. She is literally why I keep going. My business is named after my daughter, Aaliyah Sky Collection. My daughter is Aaliyah Sky. Everything I'm doing is going to be in her name. She's going to benefit from this more than anybody. Another thing that you want to do is research whatever market you're in, because it'll just give you an idea of how to do things. Like, look at some successful businesses and don't copy everything that they do, but pick what stands out to you from their business and then put your own personal touch to it, put your little twist on it, whatever. Don't just straight up copy anybody, because you're not gonna get nowhere. You can't walk into Victoria's Secret. I got a Victoria's Secret hoodie right now. You can't walk into Victoria's Secret talking about, oh, I want to make a brand called Victor's Secret, like selling the same exact thing or whatever. Like, it's not gonna work, because we already got Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret is already a popular brand. You cannot copy off of a popular brand and expect. You cannot copy, well, some big brands. I'm not gonna say you can't copy off of any brand, because there is some big brands that copy off of smaller brands, so we're not even gonna get into that right now. But you cannot copy a big brand and expect to be successful. It's not gonna happen. I'm just putting that out there. It's not gonna happen. Hustle, 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 hustle. I cannot stress this enough. It boils my blood more than people who just want everything handed to them. They don't want to do no work. They want to run a business, but they don't want to put no work into it. Like, you gotta start somewhere, and nobody's gonna do this for you, baby boy, baby girl. Nobody's gonna do this for you. I started my business on my own. I don't ask nobody for help with nothing at all. So my business didn't even launch yet. I got people hitting me up asking for vendors, asking me for this, for that. Like, can I let my business get somewhere first before y'all start? Like, can I focus on my business before you try to ask me to build your business up? Like, I put in work to find every single vendor that I work with, and you think I'm just gonna hand that to you? It's not gonna happen. I'm sorry, it's not. So you need to do the same exact thing I did. You need to research. It don't matter how long it take, you're gonna find something. Please don't just go asking people for their vendors. Do not ask people for their vendors. Nobody's gonna just give that up, especially not for free. So do your research. Don't expect people to put the work in for you. Nobody's gonna put the work in for you. Another thing, invest in yourself. If you have a problem with investing in yourself or investing in your business, I'm letting you know right now, entrepreneurship is not for you. It's not. I'm sorry, it's not for you. You need to go get a job at this point, because it's just not for you. You can't be scared to take a risk. You can't be scared to invest in yourself. Like, do it smartly though. Don't just be throwing your money all over the place. Invest in yourself. Make sure that you're gonna get a profit back from whatever you invest in. From whatever you spend to invest in yourself, make sure you're gonna make some type of profit back. So pretty much, you also cannot be scared to take risks. What Meek Mill said, money don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. He was talking facts, because it don't. It really don't. You gotta spend money to make money, and that's just that. The money that you earn from your first couple sales or whatever, or your 100th sale, your 1000th sale, whatever, put money back into your business. Don't take your first 1000 and go buy designer, go buy whatever, fast food. Like, don't spend it on stuff that's not gonna help you grow in the long run. So put that money back into your business. You make money, spend it on inventory, spend it on packaging, put some aside to save for yourself. But always make sure you invest back into your business if you want your business to keep running. If you want it to be like a one-shot thing, you just need to make some money real quick and you want to sell something, then alright, you don't gotta keep investing. But if you want your business to last and to keep going and growing, you have to definitely invest in that business. So let me tell you, I am doing a giveaway on my launch day, which is February 14th, Valentine's Day. I will be giving away a silk lined hoodie to one special winner, the color of their choice. So if you guys are interested in entering, go on Aaliyah Sky CO on Instagram. I'll put the Instagram on the screen, but go check out my business Instagram and join the giveaway. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys want a in-depth video of the steps to take to making a business, or any more tips for some new businesses, or anything that you guys want to know business related, owning a business. Let me know. I'm here for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.